Hello guys, my name is Marika and today I will show you how to create a custom validation hook using contact form 7 in WordPress. We will create a new custom validation for this field. In our case, this field is a input type text. So we go in functions.php and we have to add a filter vp text. This means it will work only for input type text which it's required. And now we add our function custom validation text field, priority and arguments. Okay. Function custom validation text field, result and tag. Okay. Now we can have multiple input type text on one form, so we will check the name of the input. To do that, we have to get the name input name tag this tag the name. Okay, let's see what comes here. Go to the website, network, test. Let's see what is here. String name field. Let's see if it's correct. Name field. Okay. Now we will create our custom validation. Let's see. We want to check the string length, and the string length should be bigger than 3 characters. To do that, we will get if input name equal name field string length search for empty spaces, replace them with nothing, from post the name field. Okay, let's see what this are dump string length. It should return for the character. Okay, 4. If string length lower than 3, then result invalidate tag. This means this tag, the current one, the field is incorrect. Please add more characters. Remove this and let's see if it works. Send. Okay, we have an error. Oh, we have to add a return here. Return. Now it should work. Okay, the email address is invalid. Let's remove one letter. 3. The field is incorrect. Please add more characters. Okay. Okay, let's change 3 to 4. The field is incorrect. You can find all this hooks list custom from 7 validation hooks. Okay, this is for type email, and here you can find all the hooks you need. Then open the functions.php and create your custom validation function.